Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Katie La Negra. So guys, I know that today you guys are looking at me like, what's going on? So I have one side done, one side that is not done, and I'm going to show you today how to achieve this makeup look. I am calling it kill them with a look. So today we're just going to concentrate on one side of the face. So here we go. Hey guys, so I'm going to show you today how to achieve this look on this side. So obviously we start by priming the face. Today I am using the Too Faced Hangover Primer Paint Pot right here. And we're going to grab a little bit of this. This is good enough. And then we're going to apply this all over the eye. Eyeshadows has something to stick themselves to, because you don't want that shit running all over the place. We're going to move on. We're going to move on to the Huda Beauty Desert Disc palette right here. And we're going to grab the lightest shade on here. And it's called Desert Sand. And the reason why we do this is so we could give ourselves a nice flat base on the eyelid so that we could start working. After we do this, guys, it should look something like this. I'm going to be using today, guys, the Dare to Create 39A palette. It's a beautiful palette, guys. Let me show you guys real quick. It has all these beautiful colors, and we are going to start today right here on the third road. We are going to be starting with this light color right here. Okay, so we're going to go with Bare right here on the middle with a, light hand. I like to grab my brush like this and just move right along. Grab the color right next to it that is called Canvas, and then we're gonna dip right in, and then we're gonna move right here in the middle. The third color on there that is called Southern, and we're gonna just grab just a little bit, put it on the same brush. Don't even get crazy at those makeup girl. You could keep using the same brush. So, and then we go right here, and then we go all the way to the front with a little bit that is left. It should look something like this. Creating the base, guys, because if you're gonna use all these dark colors, you better make sure you got a good base, because it's not gonna blend nicely. And remember what I told you guys on the first lesson, it's all about blending. We're feeling flicky today. So we're gonna grab Flicky, tap off the essence, and then we're gonna go right. We always start, guys, right here, and then we move it to the front. But little, like little by little, okay? Don't get crazy, because if you get crazy, you're gonna look crazy. So make sure that you get that all over. And I like to bring it a little bit higher. So I'm gonna go again and dip a little bit back in that green. And I like to bring it a little bit higher because I want it to show in the top right here how it's showing. I want this to show like this. See how it shows right there? Go here, and we're gonna go with Inspire. That's how I felt about this makeup look today, actually. So dip in there. Guys, go all the way. When you're working with dark colors, don't you dare grab it right here unless you gotta pack it. Go all the way down here like this, and then you're gonna start right here in the corner. Because you see how dark? It looks like I just got a black eye. You see this? So you gotta make sure that you start right here, flake it all the way out, and then bring it into the middle a little bit right there, and work on it. Blend, blend, blend until you cannot blend anymore. You're like, that's looking crazy. Yes, the hell it is. So we have already done like about 4 or 5 colors, guys. So we're gonna grab the Morphe M518. As you guys notice, I already used it, that it has the blue because I worked on this eye. And we're gonna go right here, and that color is, this color right here is called Colors. Am I saying it correctly? Colors. Just tap off the essence, and guys, let me tell you, and I'm gonna tell you again, be real careful when working with the dark colors. Again, grab it in the tip and bring it in, but little by little, flake it Oh, and one more thing. So you guys are wondering, how do I do that wing with the eyeshadow? I bring it out. I bring it out like this. You see this? So I bring it out like that, and then I start bringing it in a little bit. Just working in the inner corners, guys. You know, my blending skills, they've been up there. So I was like, okay, let me try this. And I did, and I loved it. And yeah, and it should look something like this. And you guys must be like, what the hell is going on? We're getting there. So M441 from Morphe, and you see that has a little bit of that green, that lighter green that we talked about, flicky. We go back to flicky, and we're just gonna make sure that we don't have any hard edges. So we're gonna just bring it all the way up like this and all the way down, and make sure that we kill all hard edges that we may see. So now we're gonna take the Tarte Shape Tape in the color, mine's is medium. So if you're my skin tone, you're gonna know that yours is medium. If not, if you're light, whatever the hell you have in the house, take it. It could be the same Prawn Low Wear paint pot that I wore before, and then just take a little bit on your flat brush like this, and using the Morphe M432, this one right here, and we're just gonna grab a little bit right here. Let's do this. I always put a little bit like this in my hand to like clean the brush a little bit, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go right here, right in the center. So it should look something like this. You see this, guys? And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make like a little square box slash round in the top, guys. And if you recreate this look, please, I don't know if you follow me on Twitter or Instagram or Facebook, but if we'll put all my information down below, and please tag me. I want to see it. You're gonna have something like this now, guys. So we're doing like a halo eye in the middle, the MAC 242. I love this brush. And then we're gonna just spray it with a little bit Fix Plus, and then we're gonna dip right in there, and don't be shy. And then we're gonna go apply that right in the middle. The reason why we use the Fix Plus is so we could get that pop out of the eye, out of the color. Be like, okay. And then I'm gonna show you how I'll make it even look. You could just stop here and then just add either eyelashes or add a big wing or whatever. You could just, you know, but you know my extra ass have to go extra. So then I didn't stop there, guys. You could stop here, but I didn't stop there. I went with the Black Grape Pressed Pigment from MAC, and it looks something like this. I already showed this in my other video before. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this little flat brush from MAC, the Makeup Shack. It's called T555. It's usually, this one is more for like eyebrow and to do like the small wings. Listen, you grab that damn brush and you do whatever you want to do. Don't let them tell you what you're gonna do with your brushes. You do what you want to do with them. So this brush is very, very good to do actually this makeup look today. I'm gonna grab a little bit of that and I'm gonna put it right there in the center like this. Next time, guys, I promise that instead of having the camera there, I'm gonna have it in front of me, and that is gonna be next week. I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial. I am getting my new vanity, because this is like a baby vanity. I'm getting my really nice vanity, and I'm gonna do a review on it and everything, and I'm like so excited to get my vanity. Guys, we're gonna go now with the Stila, and we're gonna go with the, it's called Metallic Pixie Dust. It looks something like this, and you guys seen this in my other video because I just love this shit. Like, I can't get over it. And we're gonna go with the E18 from Morphe. We're gonna put a little bit of Fix Plus on that, and we're gonna grab just a generous amount. And guys, just to make sure that you don't go crazy, always put some here just to see what kind of glow is gonna give you. I'm gonna grab this Makeup Shack brush, the T44, with a little bit of that green that is called in flicky. We're gonna grab that green right there, and then we're gonna tap it, and we're gonna go right over here and make sure we don't have none of that. We don't want the pixie dust all over your eye. You want it where you want it, and that's it. And then it's gonna look something like that. And then we're gonna grab that Morphe M518. You still have some of that blue on there, and you just make sure that you just blend in the corners and blend in a little bit in here. Just make sure that you don't have like a harsh line, since we did carve it out. So now guys, we're gonna do the bottom of my eye. We're gonna grab this black eyeliner and we're gonna go right here under. So then we're gonna smoke that out later on. Now I'm gonna go back and dip into my Dare to Be, and we're gonna go with that light green. And basically we're gonna do in the bottom everything that we did in the top. So we're gonna start right here, and then we're gonna dip into the other dark green. So we went from Flicky to Inspire, and then we're gonna go right under, and we're still using the same brush into that blue that is called Imagine, and then we're gonna go right under, and we're gonna just smoke it out because it's just very small, as you guys see, and you're able to like get into like all the little hairs in the bottom right on the top. One, and we're gonna use the tattoo liner, this one right here. I had to do the wing many times, so I'm gonna do it off camera. I'm gonna pop up the lashes and just show you the makeup look all completed. So guys, we are here now with the final look. So I already did my eyelash and my eyeliner off camera. If you guys want to see how I do just a tutorial on how to apply eyelash and how to do the wing, I could also do a tutorial on that. But just to save a little bit more time and editing for myself, I did it off camera. So now I also did my lips off camera, and I used the Marc Jacobs, and this color is the 340 that is called Make Me. So that's what I used on my lips today. And I also left one more thing so I could do it for you guys here on camera, my eyebrow. So I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is in the color dark brown. Right here in the corners. You know, it's crazy because some people, they start all the way in the bottom, like all the way out here. I can't. Since this has to do with the eye, I decided to do this on camera. So here's my eyebrow. To my Becca palette, and I went into this color right here in the top, Moonstone. And then I grab a flat little pencil. I want to do it like this so you guys could actually see it. And I went like this. And then if you want to go for a little extra, don't be shy. Guys, then set the face. So we're going to go just like this. Close your eyes. Oh, don't even mind going for extra on the other side. What kind of eyelashes I apply? I used the Lily lashes, and it was the Mint Lilac. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching my tutorial. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate the likes. I really appreciate the subscription. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel right down there. Guys, I hope you love this makeup tutorial. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. See you guys for the next one. Mwah. Yeah.